Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find contacts in Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to open Snapchat. And once you open Snapchat, what you want to do is make sure to turn on your contacts. How you guys can do that? First, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Once you click on your profile picture, you want to click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down on the bottom until you see this option called contacts. Once you see it, click on contacts, and once you're inside contacts, the option called share contact with Snapchat, make sure to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it's going to show you this. Now, in order to turn on your Snapchat, settings, you have to go inside your phone settings. So click on go to setting and it's going to take you to Snapchat setting inside of your phone. Once you're over here, the first option where it says contacts, make sure to turn it on. Once this setting is turned on, you can go back to your Snapchat and now your contacts should be turned on. Now what you can do is click on the person with the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. The sign is basically for you to add friends. So click on it and you can see this option called all contact, which is right beside Snapchat. So click on all contacts and every single person over here which is in your contacts is going to be shown. As you guys can see over here, Roshan and this Prajal. As you guys can see already on Snapchat, all these people are in my contact and they have a Snapchat account created using their phone number. So I can click on view more and it's going to show me all these other people who have created Snapchat account with their phone number who is inside my contact. So yeah, that's how you guys can find contacts on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.